Welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff. I'm about to go watch The Color Purple, so I'm about to do my hair, get dressed. Well, I'm halfway dressed. Yeah, I'm wearing this, but I'm gonna put on this cute jacket that I'm gonna show y'all. You're gonna see the whole look come together, okay? But let's do this hair. I still got in my plaits. I'm thinking about maybe doing some type of Bantu knot situation. We'll see what we end up with by the end of this video. Again, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And last I checked, we was at 800 subscribers. So I really appreciate you all. I would like 200 more by the end of the year, but whatevs. I am truly grateful for what I have. But yeah, let's get into it because my movie starts in about an hour and a half. Yeah, I still got a lot of time, but let's just get into it, okay? All right. Y'all, spoiler alert, I went and saw the movie. No, I'm not finna tell you about it, but it was really good. If you haven't seen it, go see it. And yes, it is a musical. It's a musical, so if that's not what you're into or what you thought it was going to be, that's what it's going to be, and that's all I'm going to say about that. Yeah, so let's just get into the video. I'll start talking when I actually start doing some stuff. Looks like I'm in motion. So right now, I'm literally just trying to figure out the sections of these Bantu knots, and I'm just going right for it. As you can see, what the plan is thus far is I'm going to do one in the middle and one on the left and on the right. So I'm going to have about 3 total in the front of my head. That's just literally, there was no pre-planning going about this. I think I grabbed about, I didn't even count, maybe like 4 or 5 plaits that I already had, and I twisted them around and then just wrapped them buns up, okay, with a hair tie. That wasn't cute, so I definitely had to redo it, and I'm not even gonna hold you. I had to redo quite a bit of them because my little wraparound was not wrapping around how I needed it to wrap around, okay? But yeah, sit back, relax, kick up your feet, and tell me how cute I am. Okay, so I can stop right here, and I don't know if I want to like. I can't keep the back down. I think I want to keep the back down for this. I don't know what I'm doing actually yet, but I don't know if I want to keep my three little buns up the top like that, or if I want to like smush them together like this a little bit. What do you think? 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 I did do a hairstyle like that once, but with two buns. I need to post it. You'll see how that turned out. But this is cute in itself. You know what? I'ma still play around and we'll see what I end up with. I feel like I'm gonna save that the entire video until I'm actually done. But yeah, so far, so cute. All right, so let me give y'all a little back action now. I do not know how these ones in the back gonna turn out because as you can see, I'm not looking in no mirror. I'm literally just grabbing and going. And you're probably like, why did you grab that one plait all the way at the bottom of your head? Don't even worry about it. That's what I wanted to do. You do what you want to do, okay? You can grab whatever plait you want back there, okay? But yeah, I'm literally just going off of feel at this point. Do not judge me, okay? All right. Side note, I know y'all see them back muscles trying to come through. Baby, I'm finna go to the gym like literally after I post this video because they trying to come through. See me in a couple months. Give me about 6 and it's just gonna be ripply back there, okay? You know what's crazy? It's like the buns I did without looking in the mirror came out the best so far. I don't really know how I feel about that, like at all, but it is what it is at this point. And yes, I know y'all see all them little pokey outy, like my little tails to my plaits. Now, if you fold it under your plaits when you rubber band them, you wouldn't have that issue. But you can also tuck those little end pieces in your knots if you like. Me, I wasn't too pressed. Yeah. But let's do these edges, though. But not really, because you know how me and edges are. I just do a little swoop-de-doop-doop. Ain't nothing really razzly-dazzly about it, but it's cute for me. You know, that's all I need. Look at it. I barely put anything on. All right. And here we have the final look. My hair came out kind of cute. Are they perfect? Nope. But they'll do. They'll do. Here's the back. The back probably looks crazy, but who cares? You're looking at me head on, right? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Visit www.riahsafari.com and get you something this winter season, okay? Be blessed, be blessed, be blessed, and be safe. I hope your 2024 will be everything you want and then some, and I hope you've ended your 2023 on a great note. All right. Happy New Year, y'all. Peace.